CCW, I'm not going to move until you say it again.
Santa has a CCW?
Yes, sir. You have to.
Times are rough.
You got to protect me.
Are you... what's the last name? Yeah, so, you know why I'm stopping you?
I was looking down, I didn't even check.
Okay,
I
yeah.
have no clue.
So I had... Speed limit is 55.
Yep.
There's a lot of deer out here, a lot of people that are pulled right out in front of you, so your reaction time is not as good as 55, correct? Santa, do you have your driver's license out?
Can I get out?
You sure can. Where you guys headed?
Right here to Delta. My daughter works at the boss wants to come up and do Santa for kids.
Cool.
Oh, I gotta unlock it. Santa's 100-something years old, you know.
Oh my gosh. This is a video of the night.
You know what's funny? I just left Berkey.
There goes my presents.
We just left Berkey and the sheriff was... Are you good? The sheriff was in Berkey, are you?
No.
We just seen the sheriff. They were sitting in the fire department.
No, you're in Fulton County now, so...
We went by him and pulled in and waved in and he got a kick out of it.
Cool.
Yeah, I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking at that new thing my daughter put on her car and some of the fuel, man.
We just had so many accidents.
You're right, my son just got a big buck here on County Road.
Yeah.
Too.
Whoops. Here's this.
That's right. Yeah.
All right.
Sorry,
David, you still reside here?
Moved to,
Okay. Good. Okay. Just slow your speed down a little. I mean, Santa. Slow your
speed. Get Rudolph on you.
It's Nick, you know.
You don't mind if we get a picture? She gets a picture with it.
No, good. Whoops, hold on, Matt.
Oh, yeah, you don't drop that kid. Get your picture, camera.
Let me find use this phone here. Get your camera.
Sorry about that.
These glasses aren't any good for me.
Yeah, man, readers are just... I can't see. Hey, cookies and cream!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
You don't mind if I post that on Facebook, do you? You okay with that?
I'm good. You're good. You're good. I'm gonna give you my card, and it has the my email on it. Would you send that to me?
Yeah, definitely. I appreciate you even cutting me a break.
Oh, not a problem.
I mean, look right there. The daughter put something on here. We can't figure out what she did with the gas mileage went below the zero. Something to do with the fuel tank, and it goes over and it starts beeping.
Yes, sir. I'll get this to you.
Send that to me.
I got to put it in the back of my pocket now.
Put her back. You're all ready, man.
I'm not carrying anyway. Too many $100. I got to protect Rudolph.
And the North Pole isn't what it used to be.
Oh, this feels like the North Pole, I'll tell you. All right. You guys have a wonderful night.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.